Hey guys, welcome back to Tracie's Place. As you can see, I'm back with the Dollar Tree haul. And if I have time, I'll add a few things that I got from Walmart in. Y'all, somebody come and help me because, oh my goodness, I went to Dollar Tree, y'all, and I'm going to start with the bane of my existence here. The first two items that I went looking for. Just the first two items. So anyway, as y'all saw, the candy canes in my driveway from the Decorate With Me, Christmas Decorate With Me video that I did. You all saw the candy canes, right? Okay, 6 just was not enough, I guess. So I had to have more. So I wanted to have, it'll be 5 on each side. So I got 6 there now, 3 on each side. And I had to have 4 more candy canes. So this is what started it all today. These candy canes. And I probably should have just went ahead and got extra just in case. But we have enough. I have to stop myself. So got 4 candy canes. And of course, because I got the candy canes, I had to get the little bows that's going to go on the candy canes, right? Got 4 bows to go with the 4 candy canes. So there they are. All right, so the next thing I wanted was a little bit of green to make it pop outside of the house. So I had a lot of red and you know, had gold, but I needed something else to make some stuff pop. Here it is. I found some green ones at Dollar Tree. I was so thankful. And let's see, I got 2. Two of these green packets of bulbs. So I got those. Then I thought of some other areas that I could use some bulbs at. So I got 2 more packs of ornament bulbs. Yeah. That Dollar Tree ain't gonna worry me. Somebody bring me some grocery money because I spent a little bit of my grocery money up at the Dollar Tree. Sister needs some help. I don't want to be like, oh, Brown Eyes on a Budget had me, just too tickled because she did a video about being a Dollar Tree addict. And I'm like, oh my goodness, today I felt like an addict because I was chasing stuff at the Dollar Tree. But y'all, people catching on to the Dollar Tree. Anyway, I got these 2 little yardsticks. And mind y'all, I didn't want to show the whole yard because it's not, like all the leaves are not going out of my yard yet. So I didn't show the whole yard because I didn't want y'all thinking like, okay, she got Christmas decorations out, but it looks like fall because there's so many leaves out there. I'd be like, all right, sis, is it fall? Is it winter? Fall or winter? But yeah, so we're going to get the leaves blown out the yard soon. Okay. I had a little pocket of space missing, and I know I'll fill it up with ornaments, but on my Christmas tree, so I got a little, they have these little rings of, what do you call this, garland that looks like the Christmas tree, so I'll just plug it in where I want it. So I got that. That was just $1. And like I said, I couldn't find my little door jingle jangle. And I meant to put this one back. This is the one I meant not to get. It's cute, but I wanted green. And I found the green, meant to put this one back. So I will put this down in the family room where you come in from the garage into the house. So I'll put that down there. Because I don't think you can return anything at Dollar Tree. So if nothing else, I have a backup. I'm going to put it down by the garage door. But this is the one I got for the front door. It is so cute. So cute. Got some more little decor to stick around the house for winter or for Christmas. So I got that. This is going to be a DIY. This is a placemat, but it's going to be a DIY project. So that's that. Found another one of these. Found it in green because I think the other one is red with white or green ribbon. So I got that one. Got some more little green. And I'm not a green person, y'all, but I just felt it needed some green for pop because my colors are red, green, gold, white, and silver if there's silver in the room wherever the decorations is. But I have mostly gold accents everywhere, so got some of those. And I don't want it to look overly cartoonish, but I do kind of like that feel of Christmas. Y'all know what I told y'all about in the last video. I want it to feel like Christmas. So if it's a little cartoony, it's still going to be nice, but you all know what I mean. I want it popping, bright. I want Christmas. So anyway, I put this for later. These, you all, are so cute. These little tins. I love these, and I make homemade goodies all the time, so I would like to give these out as gifts. Now, I'm making some gift bags for Christmas and stuff. I usually do gift baskets and, you know, stuff like that, but I want to get more into it because I've been seeing it around on YouTube too, and I'm tired of rapping. Like I told y'all, I'm not the best rapper, so I'm doing little gift bags and gift baskets. So if you make goodies, you can buy these tins. I found one with the red truck, and that's so popular right now. And then this is so cute. You can put your goodies in there. Now, all my bags, gift bags and stuff, will not have these because $1 and $1 and $1 and $1 adds up. So I will still be budget conscious. And it's okay if you do goodies, and some people just give goodies as gifts. If you wrap them, if you have Ziploc bags, that is fine. Just put ribbon on them. The ribbon is so cheap. The curly ribbon is so cheap at like Hobby Lobby and stuff. You can even put the, what do you call it, tulle, mix it with, they have little tulle spools. You can mix that with ribbon and do a little gift bag, whatever, with your goodies in it like that. That's something right there, a little tidbit. So I could not find, there's 2 stockings that I could not find also with my decoration, so I bought 2 more at the Dollar Tree. These are just $1 a piece. And y'all, I guess you know what the inspiration for my driveway is. Of course, we don't believe in Santa. Kids never did. I can't even tell the story of why my husband don't want the kids to believe in Santa. Anyway, you know, it looks like a runway. I want it to look kind of like a runway for Santa, the landing strip for Santa. I don't know if you all have ever watched Prep and Landing. I love that little cartoon. Started watching it when, I think, after Isaiah was born. It might have came out around that time or whatever, but Jalen was still little. And we would watch that. That is the funniest little Christmas special cartoon that comes on. And it kind of reminds me of that. That's why I want all them candy canes, because when Santa comes in on the roof on one of the little segments on the show, and it's just a big deal, and I just thought that was the cutest thing. Anyway, no peeking. That's a cute little gift bag. That was $1, of course. All this from Dollar Tree. And I found some black Santa, some brown Santa, so I had to get that. Those are so cute. And got some more greenery. They had 2 types of greenery, so I got 2 to see which one would match my tree better. And then I got this. I had a plate just like this last year to put out on my coffee table, because my coffee table's looking bare in the living room. And so this just says Winter Wishes, and it sits on a stand like this, and it'll be behind that sleigh that you saw on my dining room table. Living room coffee table, I'm sorry. Now that's done with the Christmas stuff. Got some toilet paper, of course. You know, I always pick up some. I picked up 3 rolls or 3 packages of that. No, that's from another store. And I got this. My sister says she uses this, and I had gotten this in another video to put in a gift bag. But this little Alto eyeliner, she said it works good, so I'm gonna use it. See how that works for me. Again, from Dollar Tree. They had the oatmeal and verbena soap, so I had to pick some up. You know, sometimes they're out of it, but Got 2 of those. Also got some wax paper. Need that for laying out my little goodies when I'm making them. Also to go in the gift bag. And I have a whole nother, I may do another haul video because I have another haul that I have for the gift bags that I'm doing. So I may just do another haul, another Dollar Tree haul. But this is a little foot scrubber that you can put into a gift bag, and also an exfoliating glove. So that's a good idea for a gift bag as well. And tape. I think we have a lot down there, but can't hurt. Wrapping tape. Now that's everything from Dollar Tree. Moving on to Walmart. I got the can opener because I kept buying little can openers that you twist yourself, the little handheld ones. I said, oh, forget it, because we hadn't had an electric can opener in years. So I said, let me see how long this lasts. And I think this was the only brand. Farberware is decent. It's not the best brand out there, but you know, it's decent. So I said, let me try it. And I think this was the only one that I saw, and red matches my kitchen. So I got that. And we needed some, a glass measuring cup, because I told you all that I got a substitute one at Dollar Tree. So that'll be my extra one in case something happens to the glass one. Because on that one, I didn't see that it was BPA free. And this is Anchor Hocking, which is a good brand and very thick, durable. So got that. Well, yeah, I went to Burlington's. Burlington's had this. I wanted a little black pouch for my purse because I didn't have a black with silver one to match my black purse that I just got. So got that for $4.99 at Burlington's. Thought that was a good price. And you all, these earrings. And I got those, like I said, from Burlington's. These are 9 West. And it was time for some new silver hoops. And then I got some Anne Klein gold hoops. They were a little smaller. They were both $5.99 though. So I got that. And you guys, you may have been seeing these certain places, but Dove has finally gotten the lotion game. Now you all know I have picked up the little creams in Dollar Tree. And they're fairly new, I think new this year, but Dove little hand creams or face creams, or you can use them for whatever you want, hand and face, I believe. And they're $1, and they are so good. And I have been seeing new products. I think they roll new products out at the discount stores now for some reason. I don't know, but I've been noticing that. And then they go to the bigger stores, and I guess they're testing out the market. I don't know, but this was at Burlington's. Now I have not seen Dove lotion anywhere else. Let me know if you all have. Let me know if I'm just, you know, slow about it. But yeah. So this is Dove Nourishing Body Care Essential Body Lotion for dry skin. And of course I opened it. I always, and I know that thing going around about folks opening stuff, but I make sure they see me on the camera. I'm just sniffing. I ain't, because I don't like to get stuff home and it doesn't smell good. So anyway, this is Dove Intensive Body Lotion. I got 2 of these, and they say for extra dry skin. And it was time for Isaiah some lotion anyway. So I said, well, let me try this. And then I saw that and said, let me get an extra one. So we have it on hand, $3.99. And it smells pretty decent too. That one smells good actually. This one smells like a regular lotion. Has a decent, you know, little pleasant smell. But this one has a, it's not loud or overly powerful or anything, but it smells good. But that was at Burlington's. $3.99, 13.5 ounces. So we're going to try that. And y'all, that is my haul. That is everything. Just went to Dollar Tree for something and looking for, I did go to Burlington's looking for this, but Of course, when you get in the stores, you find everything else you didn't go looking for. So anyway, that is it. Thank you all for stopping by Tracie's Place. If you are new here, thumbs this video up. I would love also if you all will become a subscriber if you're new. And click the notification bell. That way when I upload, you'll be notified right away. All right. It's been a pleasure being with you. Love you guys. Be blessed. And I'll see you guys next time right back here on Tracie's Place. Bye.